how to fix the start menu in Windows 10. So for most people, when you press the start menu, and this is actually before the phone purchase update in 2017, and then if you have the disk, I'm creating this video to help you if you ever not updated your Windows or still have the problem even after the update. So the fix that I found is not actually from the internet, it's something that I tried alone, and it's helped me. So previously when I used to click here the start button, it will not display it will actually remain. It's like I've clicked it's like this, the middle mouse button, it will just remain like that. But now you see it's fixed. And how did I fix it? The issue is actually Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer here, this is what is actually making the start not to function. So actually the fix, maybe if you want to access the start menu very fast, is just to click up the Explorer itself and restart. It will actually, it's like you're rebooting or signing out and signing in again. So this is the first way. If you want just to access it, get what you want, go on. But the problem with fixing this, I can say it's permanent as long as the computer is not rebooted again. I mean, for the time being, I'm losing it throughout until you shut it down again. So you actually, the fix is going and setting the priority of Explorer.exe to high. Setting to high will make it have the first priority, so it's like it will not hang. So instead of it to high, the Explorer will work. Or if that is not like for what I've done, it's just use the power options, taking the high performance profile, activating it, make sure it's active, and right here I will prefer power management. When plugged in, I set it to 100, meaning that the CPU is at its highest clock, even when doing nothing. So this is also another thing, and make sure the maximum is also 100. System calling policy active. Then you have your start menu function.